This little stream comes out of the Kolob Reservoir on Kolob Mountain. Steve and I rode our motorcycles up here today to check it out. There's a nice little waterfall over here. Runs into a nice little pond at the bottom, and then the water comes cascading down from there. This is a volcanic gorge, and all the rock that you see over there is from an ancient volcano. It looks like rock, but it's actually, I think it's called basalt. And you can see lots of pieces of it all broken down the gorge here. There's a second waterfall that I've never been to, and it's right there. So where the water goes cascading over there, it drops again, but we can't easily get down there. At least not today, maybe someday. But anyway, there was a big volcano around here, and this is all volcanic lava that I'm standing on. And this gorge is all made from it. Hey everyone. So we rode about 45 miles from my house to get to this spot. It's nice and cool. It's 100 degrees at my house or more. Up here we're at about 78 degrees. It feels just perfect. And the sound of that waterfall is mesmerizing. Sometimes there's fish in that little pond. I've been up here a few times, and I've actually seen trout in that little pond right there swimming around. I don't see any right now. The water cascades all the way down, constantly dropping real quick. There's a lake right over, not too far on the other side of that fence. It's probably a good half a mile to it, and it's called Kolob Reservoir. It is dammed up, and it's a trout fishing lake. Lots of big trout are in that lake. So we're gonna get on our motorcycles and go have a look. A lot of people have cabins up here to get away from the heat in St. George. Because again, the high temperature up here is only about maybe 80 degrees during the summer. And it's 100 degrees or more in St. George every day. Okay. I'll get out of here. There's a nice little meadow out here. Usually there's cows and horses. I don't see any today, but it's really nice up here at 8,000 feet. Here's a little corral they've got for the cows and the horses. Okay, that's it for now. Wish you all were here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.